How do you justify spending money on coaching when you feel the pinch of a tight budget? Hi, I'm Maile, certified business coach and master referral coach. I have a lot of clients who are in financial services, and they will ask you, what is your number one biggest asset that you own? That asset is your ability to make an income. So when you invest in yourself, you're investing in your ability to generate more wealth and abundance in your business and in your life. So there's a number of reasons why sometimes when we are feeling the pinch of the tight market, we may not want to invest, but here are some things to think about. When you have a coach, you have that person, that sounding board, that support who believes in you and can help you keep focused on those income generating activities, as well as what you need to do to accomplish your goals in your business. Top performers are always investing in themselves, in their learning, in how they can improve themselves. And a general rule of thumb is 10%. 10% of your annual income will be a good budget for your coaching. Now, it actually results in a lot more in your revenue. It can. So when you have that accountability, when you are held accountable to things that you want to accomplish, you actually will gain further momentum so much quicker, and you'll get the insight and perspective that you need to hit your goals and stay on track. And most importantly, keep that mindset. Mindset is so important with as a business coach, because sometimes we can self-sabotage with our own head trash, right? So we want to keep that positive mindset and not feel alone. I'll give you two quick examples. One of my clients has a managed IT, he specializes in managed IT. He's been in business since 1998, and he came to me for coaching this last year, and year over year, he had a 40% increase in his business. Another one of my clients, her first year in business made $100,000 because we can go further, faster together. So invest in yourself, invest in coaching, and you will achieve your goals faster with more confidence and more profit. I'm Maile, and that's a tip from Maile's Referral Intelligence.